To get a good result when it comes to sharpening the chain, we need to have good tools. Use a vise system to secure the chainsaw. Start with the side that is opposite you. Position the file so that the filing angle is correct. The file should also be 90 degrees to the guide bar. Use the full length of the file and apply pressure as you file away from the tooth. 2 or 3 strokes per tooth should be enough to restore a nice fresh edge, remaining with the same side that is opposite you. Once you've completed a full rotation around the chain, it is time to rotate the chainsaw in the vise. We will repeat the same steps for the other side of the chain. Now use the depth gauge setting tool to check that the depth gauge is set at the correct height to the tooth. If any metal is sitting proud, we can then take the file and remove some of that metal. Once we've completed that tooth, we move on to the next and the next until we've worked our way around both sides of the chain and a full rotation of the chain.